everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you how you can take these dollar store and more items and turn them into these easy and glam decor items for yourself or a gift for a loved one. So if you want to know how I take these lovely items here and turn them into those glam decor items, you know what time it is. It's time to grab your tea / coffee and a donut with that, and let's get started. Alright everyone, for our first DIY, we have this large vase here, and then we have the two candle holders here with the nice psychedelic print on it. I love them. And this is an easy and simple DIY. Just use some hot glue, glue our two candle holders together, and then put them in the vase. Simple as that. And there we go. There is DIY number 1. Elegant and nice. And it looks very nice. Yes, it does. And it was very easy. For all of us that don't want nothing hard and, to do, just simply put them together, put them in the vase, and you have a lovely piece of decor for your home. And here we have it with the candle inside. Absolutely beautiful and easy and simple. 1, 2, 3, we're all done. And now for DIY number 2, we have these lovely candle holders again from the Dollar Tree, and we are going to use this 3-row chain. Yes, and we're going to use some E6000 to glue the chain going right around our candle holder. And remember, you could use any adhesive that you would like to do your project with. And then we're just going to repeat the same step onto the second candle holder because we have 2. And here we are. The chains are all around the 2 candle holders. So we're just going to use some E6000 and glue our 2 candle holders together along with some hot glue to hold it right away. And the E6000 will dry overnight. And then we are going to put some more of our 3-row chain going through the center of our decor to hide where the 2 candle holders are joined together. And here we go. DIY number 2 is complete. I love how it looks with the gold chain going around. Nice and elegant. And it was another easy DIY. Yes, it wasn't hard at all. It's easy, nice, and simple. And your result is an elegant candle holder for yourself or for a gift for a loved one. And here it is with the candle inside. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And you could put the little fairy lights in the bottom. I don't have any of those, but I said it would look lovely with the fairy lights in the bottom candle holder. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. On to DIY number 3 now. We have the same candle holders, and we'll be using this glam chain here with the little pearls. We're going to use the E6000 and gluing it right around the top part of our candle holder. Very simple and easy, and you can just, the E6000 doesn't dry right away, so you can just straighten out the chain going around. And here's our DIY number 3, all complete. 2 glam candle holders. I love them. I think they look elegant and nice and simple just as they are. Beautiful. And here they are with the candles inside. Oh, they look lovely and elegant. A lovely piece of decor for your home, or like I tell you, a gift for a loved one or a special friend. Yeah, it'd make a lovely Christmas gift. I love how they turned out. I think they look elegant and nice.
And one more chance is all I need, babe. I just need you to understand just what I...
And now for DIY number 4, I have this Christmas box here that I got from the Dollar Tree. So we're just going to take, and I'll be using some of this bling chain here to go right around. So we're just going to take the lid off and just use some hot glue and glue our chain going right around the top of the gift box. Yeah. And now we're just going to take a candle holder and glue it to the top of the gift box. And I'll just be using some hot glue. And I will just be placing a tea light holder inside. And this is DIY number 4. I think it looks absolutely lovely. And I did place some little stone gems in the bottom of the candle holder, as you can see there. And then our tea light holder with the same bling going around it as we put around the little gift box. That's the base of our candle holder. I think it looks absolutely lovely. And here it is with a little tea light candle inside. And here's a closer look at the candle. And I put a little bling going around the tea light candle on the inside to let it stand out more. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I love this DIY. Again, a lovely piece of decor or a gift for your home. All these DIYs are just nice, easy, simple, nothing too hard for you to whip together and have a lovely piece of decor for your home, or like I've been telling you, a gift for a friend or a loved one. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of today's glam DIYs and tell me which one is your favorite, which one you liked the most. And if you're new here, I'd like to say welcome, and I hope you will click that subscribe button so you become part of the Glamster team, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And to my oldies and my goodies, my Glamsters, thank you so much for coming back and clicking on today's video and watching the DIY that I had to share with you all today. And I hope you enjoyed your tea/coffee and your donut or muffin. Yeah, I'm gonna go have some now myself. So, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.